You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is.
This is Mundo, the ultimate travel pack. Yeah, we can't say that. Don't get us wrong, Mundo is awesome. We just don't think there's an ultimate travel pack for everyone, because we're all a bit, different. What Mundo is crowdsourced. That means we asked 2,601 people what they want in a travel map. Then we arranged their answers into 35 different features, and we're ready to choose the most voted. But we loved all of them so much that we decided to go off script and do everything. So here's Mundo, travel pack created by 2,601 people. First, there was a size adjustment. 2,505 of our customers wanted a bag that can transform size according to their needs. You're in your hotel, leaving for a meeting, using it as a slim bag. Workday, medium. Leaving back home, full-on travel pack. This bag changes size as easily as I change my mood. I'm so lonely and I love it. Moving on. Transformable straps. Everyone wanted to carry the bag in a different way, so we thought, heck, we're gonna make Mundo so you can carry it in all the ways. Straps in Mundo move, so you can carry it like a sling bag, or the shoulder bag, one hand bag, and backpack. Add a stick, and you can even carry it like a 1920s kid running away from home. Now comfort. Our survey participants wanted an option for the air cushioned back and straps they loved in our previous bags, since they're comfortable and easily adjustable. So it's an option. You don't need to ask us 2,601 times. Let's move to pockets. The main pocket is designed like a suitcase for easy packing. we didn't even need anyone to ask for that. It's a given in a travel bag. As are the mesh pockets, perfect for separation and organization. Our front pocket comes equipped with an organizational divider that transforms the compartment into a top and bottom pocket. The top is an easy-to-reach pocket for things that, well, need an easy reach, and the bottom is for whatever. But you can take the divider out and just have one huge front pocket. Then there are so many more pockets. Laptop pocket, tablet pocket, pocket for valuables, and a pocket for office supplies. All the pockets open in two different ways, horizontally and vertically, for easy access no matter how you carry Mundo, unless you actually carry it on a stick. Please don't. Mundo also has a collapsible water bottle pocket, a trolley sleeve, and an extra day backpack that folds smaller than a can. And to save even more space, the straps and back of Mundo are interchangeable, so you can move them between the day pack and Mundo. Interchangeable straps? That's straptastic. Time for a lightning round for the rest of Mundo's features. Water resistance, different shoulder strap width, laundry bag, shoe bag, padded handles on side and top, extra bottom handle, space to hide straps when in different carry modes, YKK zippers, and Duraflex buckles. Everything in Mundo is made of high quality while maintaining style and comfort. This is not our first bag, as our many happy backers can attest. It is our first based on people's suggestions bag, so there was another request we couldn't ignore. It should be affordable, so we made sure it is. So if you want a travel bag that answers everything 2,601 people wanted, and may also answer everything you want in a bag, get Mundo. It's so awesome, it's almost ultimate. Mundo.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a